Hi, I'm Thelma and my channel is Seasonal Crafts and Creations. Welcome back to my channel. Welcome if you're new. Whether you're new or you're returning and you just haven't had the time, I hope you, during this video or after, if you like the video, click the like button. It really helps my channel grow. And subscribe to my channel, click the notification bell and select all. That way you won't miss any of my future uploads. I do DIYs, hauls, sometimes vlogs, and sometimes learn how to apply makeup. And not only will you become part of my family here on YouTube, but you will also be entering into the giveaway contest that I have going on. And I'll put in the description the details and anything that you need to know about the giveaway contest. But if you have a question, just leave me a comment. Okay, so without further ado, let's go ahead and let's get into this Dollar Tree haul. Okay, first I want to show you this summer gnome sign. I just love the way they're all decked out. It looks like they're at the beach, and look at their little sunglasses. And I like this one, his little hat, and the heart sunglasses here. And they have I think that's flamingo back here, and a parrot here. It's just darling. Look, all in this one here with this little guitar. It's just gorgeous. Okay. And next I'm going to show you some of the Crafter Square, etc. that I picked out. These are some stickers. These two are the same. I have been looking for these forever, and finally found some. Well, my husband found some for me, and he thought he was getting 3 of the same kind. Look how beautiful that is. The flowers and the little flower pots, beautiful. But he didn't look at them all and look at the difference in them. They have 2 different kinds. I love the bottom here, all the flower pots with the flowers in them, and the pink. This one's my favorite. I love it. And I picked up some of those. Are also not only for my crafting, but they're also for my journal that I've restarted doing again. And I found some of these. I think they're 40 brown sandwich bags, or paper bags, easy to open, and there's 40 of them. And here's some more stickers. I love these 2 here. They're butterflies, and then the last one that I'll show you of these kind. Look at these. There's 8 in a pack, and they're 3D and metallic. Look at all the different colors. See how the butterfly wings come up? I'm trying to get it to where the light doesn't blind you. They're beautiful. And then there's these. There's 13 of them, and they're like, when you push on them, they give in. So they're like I don't know. I don't even know how to describe them other than, like I said, see how they give in right there? And there's 13 of them, different colored, real pretty. And then there's these. These are little bees and little ladybugs, and you get 7 of them. And they're metallic too. And I picked up some more of these trucks with the flowers, and this one here is this one is the sunflower one, and this one. And then this one has 7 in it. Spring. It says always in my heart here at the bottom. They're just beautiful. And I picked up one of these, it's a craft picker. Real big handle, easy to grip, and there's the end of it. And then this is in Crafter Square, it's a craft spatula. Real good handle on that one too. I finally found some of these craft sticks again. You get 60 in it. They're the big ones. I've been looking for those tumbling tower blocks, and I think I only have maybe 12 or 13 of them, and I have been looking ever since I bought them, and I thought, well, I should have got more. And that was a year ago. But everywhere I go, they haven't had them in for a while, they just sold out, or they should be getting them in soon. Okay, and then there's another thing of stickers. There's 15 flowers, different colored in it. And then these are sticker labels. They each have 40 in it. And then these are wood hanging block. That's all it says on the back. You get one black, and then you get one white, and they're in the shape of a house, and they have wooden trim on it. This is it out of this bag. I picked up these 10 treat bags. They're pretty big. I'm going to be using that in my journal too. And if you all want me to make a journal video, just leave me a comment and let me know, and I'll be more than happy to make one for y'all. And this is 32 round dollies. I couldn't find any white roses because this is their new label for the flowers. But I did find that they're like a cream color, off-white. And I found a few wall signs for spring and summer. Let me just get it unraveled here. Okay, here's the one. It has a little bee on top with beautiful flower, butterfly. Look at them roses in it. That's just gorgeous. And another butterfly. Flower. Now you can leave this as it is, or you can take them apart. You can use them on wreaths, garland. Put a little stick on it that you take off of something, something else like a yardstake, and then cut it in half and glue it on the back, and you can put them in with your flowers, like flower arrangements. There's a lot of stuff you can do with them. And then there's this one. It has a watering can with flowers on it. Another beautiful butterfly one. Look at that. The gold on it. It's like metallic. Another watering can with flowers on it. And then there's one, a rose. And then I picked up, this says Fresh Flowers. It's a pink truck. And it had roses and flowers on the back of it. And there's glitter above the wheel down here on the bottom. And the words are in glitter. And then there's this other pink one with flowers in the back. And it looks like they have 2 bees. See the bees there? And again, they have glitter. Oh, my back and shoulders beginning to hurt again. Okay, let me see. I'm going to show you a few other things, and then I have some 4th of July to show you. They have 9 Lives Daily Essentials in the for the cats. It's a 12-ounce bag. They have the Moist Pounce cat treats. Another bag of cat food. It's called Farmhouse Naturals. And I found these 2 storage containers. I love how it's the blue that you can see through it. I'm just trying to, there. The lid just pops right off. And it raises up about an inch and a half. And I got 2 of them. I picked up some more of this foam that has 4 in it. I've been using that like crazy. And my husband seen this and he thought it was cute. He says he wants me to paint it and decorate it up. Look how cute that is. It makes me wonder what other little pieces of furniture they have. Okay, my fire alarm has been going off lately. Sorry, I hit the camera. Been going off, and I bought some new, better batteries. This is super heavy duty. It's a 9-volt. I bought 3 of them, and then they had them in Sunbeam. I thought I'd see which works better. And I bought some more of this jute rope. And I finally found in Crafter Square, it's a craft scraper. And I got it with a little pink handle. They come in different colors. And I have 3 different kinds of expressions by Hallmark. There's 6 blank cards with the envelopes. I got the one in the American flag. This black background with all these roses, that's beautiful. And then the butterfly with the black background. I just think it's beautiful. I found some of these fabric gift bags. There's 3 of them. I thought they were black and striped, but when I got them home and looked, these are navy blue. But that'll work still good. I'm not going to use them as treat bags. I'm going to use them as a decoration. I found some of these plant labels, 10-pack. You can either put a sticker on it or you can use a permanent marker and put it on it. And then 12 lens wipes in little packs. And the last is 4th of July. Okay, first, this little truck is in blue with American flag in the background, and it says welcome on it. Look how beautiful that is. I love that vintage look they have. Look at the way they painted the truck and distressed it. And then this one says, God Bless America, and it's a red truck, done the same way as the blue one. And I found some burlap ribbon. I found two of this, if I can get it, it's upside down. Anyway, I got two of the red truck with the American flag and fireworks, and it's burlap ribbon. And then I got one of this one with the red, white, and blue stars. These are going to make some beautiful bows. And this one with the red, white, and blue stars and little white dots going through it. I guess it's like fireworks. And then there's this striped one with stars within the red. Bought several of these red, white, and blue mesh. And I bought this headband. Hang on a second, let me take the tag off this so I can show you this without it being all folded up. There. Now, here is a scarf. And it's all decked out with red trucks. There's the states, USA, stars, flowers, all kinds of decoration. And then there's another scarf. It's just navy blue with stars and red, white, and blue on it. And the last scarf, and then there's only like two more items, is this one with red, white, and blue stars and trucks and the states and signs. It kind of looks like the matter of fact, it is. I got two of them the same. The same patterns, but that's okay. I can. I don't use them. I use them to put above the door and make it drape, and then put like stars or something on each side of it, and it looks real good. Okay, and the last three items. This color your own decor. It's a gnome with a, I think it says USA, and they have the markers right here. I'm going to get a couple more of these, maybe three, maybe two, and then I'm going to make like a banner and then put some stars in between them. And then there's this red with blue, navy blue trim that's in glitter, and it says USA with three gnomes, and they're holding the American flag. So patriotic, that is. And then there's a navy blue truck with red glitter trim, and there's a top hat and fireworks. Alright, well that's it on today's haul. I hope you all enjoyed it. If you did, would you give it a big thumbs up? That way it'll help my channel grow. If you haven't already and you liked today's video and you like DIYs and sometimes vlogs and sometimes makeup videos, then this is the channel for you. So go ahead and click that subscribe button, hit the notification bell, and select all so you won't miss any of my future uploads, and you'll become a member of my family here on YouTube. And I'd really love to have you, and it will also enter you into the giveaway contest that you can read about in the description, or if you have any questions, just give me a comment. Alright, have a great day. Bye bye.